The gates are now closed and the Bureau of Internal Revenue is no longer accepting income tax returns today. This means you have to pay penalties if you're going to file your ITR in the coming days or months. Add to that a 25% surcharge, a prorated 20% interest per annum, and a compromise payment. Although the BIR accommodated some last-minute taxpayers at the vicinity a few minutes before 5 p.m. The notable difference this time is that there were fewer last-minute filers compared to the previous years.
The Duterte administration envisions a golden age of infrastructure. This means ramping up spending on building roads and bridges for economic development. Under immense pressure now is the Bureau of Internal Revenue and its tax collectors on the front line. On the last day of filing the 2016 income tax return, they're doing everything they can to entice citizens and companies to pay their taxes. At the BIR's Region 7 office in Quezon City, they even set up an air-conditioned tent for the first time. A far cry from the scenario of taxpayers languishing under the sun. Some taxpayers say this is the shortest time they've spent yet filing their income tax returns. Evidence of this is the absence of long queues.
Siyempre maraming nag-a-assist eh. Kaya mabilis matapos. Hindi ka na masyadong matagal magantay.
51-year-old Tess Ubara has been filing taxes for 30 years now. She says the electronic filing system is a big relief.
Kasi ang mga tao sobra dami. Ngayon hindi na dahil puro na sa internet na eh.
Filing went smoothly in other revenue district offices like this one in West Avenue. Though some taxpayers are hoping for improvements in the e-filing system.
Kasi pag deadline kasi, yung system naghahang, parang sa computer lang din.
Tax Commissioner Cesar Dulay admits the e-filing can be improved and they need more personnel to boost collection efficiency.
We're running at less than 50%. We still need about 11,000 and we're on a massive recruitment process.
They're hoping to collect almost 2 trillion pesos this year, more than half of the national budget. The BIR urges tax evaders to negotiate with them and settle their deficiencies.
The government is said to be losing more than 400 billion pesos per year due to tax evasion. That's why the Finance Department is pushing for the speedy resolution of about 650 tax evasion cases pending at the Justice Department. Among these is the 2.2 billion peso tax evasion case of Senator Manny Pacquiao. Dulay says Pacquiao's lawyers have approached him for a settlement, but details remain confidential. Back to you.
Rex, what other high-profile tax evasion cases is the BIR keeping an eye out on?
Dulay says they're still developing more cases against Mighty Corporation. The BIR has already filed a 9.5 billion peso tax evasion case against the cigarette maker last March 22 before the Justice Department. Back to you.
Rex Remitio there reporting. Here